Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Okay, so to pair our watch with the Android phone, we need to turn it on. So press and hold the home button and keep holding it until the MIBRO logo appears on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. It will take a few seconds. And once the watch boots up, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it. And as you can see now, we need to download the MIBRO Fit application. You can use the QR code right here if you tap on it to download the app, or you can just go to the App Store and download it there. I'm gonna use the App Store on the phone that we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection, Bluetooth enabled, then open the App Store, or in my case, Google Play Store. But it also works on the App Store on the iPhone basically. And we can tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in MIBRO Fit. And you should see this application, MIBRO Fit. You can tap on install to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to tap on agree and continue. Then you will need to select the service area. You can tap right here. Scroll through the list, look for the region you want to use. As you can see, we have a permission for the location. So if you want to use it, you can tap on confirm and allow. And then you can scroll through the list, look for the region you want to use. I'm gonna use something maybe like United States, so all the way down right here. Tap on next step, and now we need to log in. If you don't have an account, you can always tap right here on no account, register now, or you can use Google, Facebook, I believe WeChat was it, or this is WeChat and this was something else, I don't remember and the names of these services. You can also rather, now that you make an account, you can enter the password and the email. Okay, that should be good. We also need to check the box right here, and then we can tap on login. And after you log in, you will see the permission for the Bluetooth connection. Tap on confirm, allow it, allow the permission for the notifications, and you should see the home page of the MIBRO Fit application. Now tap on this icon. As you can see, it already tries to connect to my watch because it's still connected to my account. So I'm gonna quickly remove it. Okay. And usually you will see this page. Basically, you will have the device page and you will see the preview of the products basically. We want to add our Lite 3 Pro, so if the app doesn't detect your watch immediately, tap on add product. It will start searching for the nearby devices, and here we have our Lite 3 Pro. So tap on start connecting, tap on the check mark on the watch, tap on pair. Here on the watch we can tap on go and go through the tutorial how to use the watch, and after that you should see the watch face, and in the app you will see your Lite 3 Pro on the device page, and it should give you this battery level and also the AGPS data. And if you go to your watch and you want to make sure that the devices are connected, you can open the quick panel, and here we have this phone icon next to the battery, which means that the watch is connected with a phone. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.